Hello and welcome to another installment of CAD Monkey videos. In this video I'm going to go over dynamic blocks. Introduction, visibility states. I feel like that's the easiest way to get started on dynamic blocks, and they are very versatile. There's so much you can do with these things, but I mean you have to have somewhere to start. So I thought visibility states is a good place to start. So what I wanted to do was start with just a simple screw. So we have the top view and then we also have the side view. I actually got this Titan HD from the Simpson website. There's actually a tool that you can download from their website, and it's a drawing finder. You can search it, and it's really useful for structural drafting. I use it from time to time. I haven't done structural drafting in a while, but I do it on occasion still, so I have this just in case. Anywho, so like I said, this is the top view and this is the side view. We're going to start off by making it a block. Below CK. Enter. We'll just call it dynamic screw. For the pick point, I'm going to go shift, right click. I'm going to force center and then click that. We already have both objects, and click OK. So we have this set up as our block. We're going to double click to enter the block editor. We're going to hit OK. So here in this menu is where we're going to get started. So we already have this set up as our base point 0, 0. That's our starting point. So as you can see right here, visibility state, all these icons are currently dimmed out. So to activate those, we're going to click on visibility under parameters, and we'll click a little bit above, and you can see the arrow pops up and all the icons light up. And so that's the start of creating your visibility states. So we'll click here and go to the manager, and we'll click a new view, and we'll type this one side, hit enter. Let's rename the original one. We'll call that one top, enter, and hit OK. So now you can do go from each one to the other, and currently everything is visible. They're sharing the same view because that's how we created it. In order to make them or define them, we'll start with hiding this one in the top. So we can click on this icon right here to make it invisible. So now it disappears, but if we go to the side, you can see the previous state where both were present. So you can also bring things back with the other one. So make visible, it's still dim because it's currently not part of this visibility state. But if we did want to bring it back, we'd select it, hit enter, and now it's just the same as the side. So for the side, we want to get rid of the top view. So select that, make it invisible. For the top, we want to do the opposite, where we select this and make it invisible. Now I want to take it a step further. Now that we have them on separate visibility states, I want to have them share a base point. Make things a little bit easier when you're actually using the block. So M, enter for move. That's not where I wanted it. I wanted to pick my point. So M, enter, there we go. So from that point, 0, 0, that's where I want it. So now if we view it, you have the center of this top view on 0, 0, and when you click on the side, the same pick point would be right here, 0, 0, right dead center. Now if we close and save, you can see how it shows when you're done with it. So currently default state is the top view. So if we go here, click side, all of a sudden you have your side view. We can go a step further and add another one. Let's do a mirror or a flip. So if we click and open it again, this one there's no point really in doing a mirror, so we're going to go to the side, and for starters you need to add the parameter. So we're going to do flip, and then we want it to go along this line. So we click down, and this is the flipping line, the line that we're going to flip it around. We'll keep this at the bottom since we have visibility up here. So now you have the arrow at the first point we picked. Now we're going to add an action to this parameter. Here we go. So flip. So the first step is to select the parameter. You can see the prompt at the bottom. So we're going to pick this one that we just created. Now it's asking to select the objects. We're going to select the whole screw, click enter, and that is really it. We can test it out either by testing the block, or we can just go straight to it and I can show you. So we're going to save it, and now we have it in this view still. If we click this, the whole thing should flip over just like that. So now not only do we have two visibility states, we have the top and now we have the side view. We can also flip the direction. So this can continue on, we can continue building onto this. We can actually make it rotate in increments of 90 and whatnot, but I'll save that for another time. In addition, I know a lot of people use ribbons, so I just wanted to go over that real quick. Oh, it's not going to show. Hold on, give me a second. Drafting annotation, 3D basics. There we go. So we click back into it. I just wanted to show you the differences. So these are the same icons that I was using over here. It's just it displays differently on the ribbons. So we have the visibility mode where it actually shows everything in the block. You can see everything. So click on and off. This is true view, and then this is everything on top of each other. And then you have the make visible and you have make invisible. This is the different states. It's a drop down right here, and then this is your manager, top and side. So that's pretty much it. This menu is shared between both views, I believe, so that shouldn't be an issue. But I believe that is it for the introduction. So I hope you found this useful. I will continue on to a few more complex things, such as adding variables where you can do different size block based on the X and Y that you can enter yourself. But yeah, thank you. I hope this helped, and stay tuned for next time. Thank you.